Wow. Wow. I'm not thinking about you guys, I'm thinking about how much money I already lost in this casino. Fuck. Wow. Hey, Connecticut. I always hated that you have a C in the middle of the name of your state. It's so dumb, it makes it so hard to connect to get all the letters together to spell it right. It's so annoying. Right here and right now, I say we start a petition to take that stupid C out of Connecticut, because no one pronounces it anyway. Are you from Connecticut? Doesn't that shit piss you off? Aren't you mad? Let's leave this place right now and go to the mayor's office and fix that shit. Guys, I have such a bad headache. Can I get some Tylenol? I swear to God, this is real. I'm not even joking. You have Tylenol? Fuck yeah, toss that. This should kick in by the 11th song. I take this shit as just straight up LSD and I'm tripping out. Hello. Are you crying because I'm not funny? I know. I'm sorry. Can you come on stage? You want to come watch a song? Oh man. Well, I don't have any more jokes after my Connecticut one, so I probably should play a song. Let's find a place. You can sit wherever you want. If you want to stand next to me, except maybe on this side because this thing is dangerous.